Hi guys, so today I want to talk to you about burner phones. So everybody knows about everything that's going on in the United States, and I see people online talking about all the hoopla about the phone searches at customs at the airport when you pass through, and they say like, do this with your phone or do that with your phone, erase this, log out of that, and then people say get a burner phone. So I thought about it, and I said, well, hey, maybe that's a good idea. In case I go back to the United States to get a few things that I still have in storage there, maybe I do need a burner phone. Something kind of low key, no apps, no tracking, just calls and texts. So I did what any normal American would do. I went on Amazon, right? But not just the United States Amazon, we have German Amazon here. So I searched for a while and I came across this great old school Nokia looking type phone, and I read all the important specs about it. It's unlocked, it's 2G only, but it has dual SIM, it's GSM, and it has hands-free Bluetooth mobile dialer, and the phone comes in black or red, and it's 21 to 24 euros depending on what color you want the phone. So I thought, okay, not bad, huh? So, all right, why not get two? One for each of us. So click to buy. And I wait over a month for these phones to arrive. I waited and I waited. And then this morning, I get, woken up by the Czech post office delivery person, which number one was a little weird because I really should have known that something wasn't quite right at that time, because I never really get anything from Amazon from the Czech post office. It usually comes from DPD or Zasokovna, some delivery service like that. So then, first of all, my spouse goes down to get it and comes back with the package. And then I noticed that the package is like suspiciously small for two phones. Like, I knew it was going to be phones because I checked to see what I was getting. And it's like really small, like USB stick small. So I go, okay, what's in this? And I'm like, what in the 2003 drug deal is this? This phone, I don't even know if this phone is 3 inches big. This is not a phone. This is a thimble with buttons. I said burner phone, not Barbie burner phone. So, it looks like something that came out of a Happy Meal in 2005. There's no touch screen. There's no camera, which is fine, but it does have HD voice, though. I guess if I get lost in a shoebox, I'm good. I mean, technically, it works. Powered on. So let's try and send a text. I've pressed 2 like 6 times. I still haven't gotten past the letter B. Guys, it even says that it has audio player. Totally unusable for what I need it for. Totally unusable. So here it is next to my normal phone. Next to my actual phone. One of these is a modern communication device, and the other is a tiny Nokia Fossil. Yeah, I got a burner phone. And now I can confidently call somebody from 2003 and ask them if they have seen my Dignity. Honestly, though, this thing is kind of cute. I immediately thought about sending it back, but I might just keep it from my earthquake bag or disaster bag. I do have a passion for miniature things like this tiny spy camera that is actually from the communist era, and it works. I got it in an antique shop here in the Czech Republic, and I even got film for it, so I might try to use that. But so now I have my tiny camera and I have my tiny phone just in case the CIA calls and they're looking to recruit. So the moral of the story is don't buy burner phones off Amazon unless you're really reading all the specs more closely. And if you enjoyed this little tech tragedy, hit that like button, subscribe for more chaos, and let me know in the comments what I should try next. Well, that's probably a call from the past. Be right back.